Hi there, this is Ching Kitaan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Ang topic po natin ngayon, bakit hindi nagwo-work ang New Year's resolution? Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you very much for subscribing. Grabe, lumalagpas na po tayo sa target po natin at parami pa rin tayo. So ngayon, pag-usapan po natin, bakit nga hindi nagwo-work? Ang daming New Year's resolution at sinasabi, I promise to exercise consistently. Mag-uumpisa na ako mag-ipon talaga. Hindi na ako magpapaloko sa mga sale na yan. Pero ano naman nangyayari? Every year, ganun naman, di ba? Magpapapayat ako, ganun na naman next year. Nako, bagong taon, bagong struggle na naman. Wala pa rin nagbabago friendship. Ay, ito sa totoo lang, tapatan tayo. Kamusta na yung sinulat mo last year? Natupad ba? Naumpisahan ba? O, may mga siya, hindi, buwelo pa lang. Pwede ba February na lang? Or March? Nako, kung ganun po yung attitude natin, no, in reality talaga, New Year's resolution won't work. Okay? Ano bang gagawin po natin para masunod po ang ating New Year's resolution? Number one, we resent kasi the idea of what? Discipline. Ayaw talaga natin yung disiplina. Kaya, ang nangyayari niyan ay panay umpisa, di ba? Oy, baka hindi ka pa nga nag-umpisa eh. Kasi, weakness talaga ng tao yung maging discipline. Yung dapat sa totoo lang, walang shortcut sa success. Walang escalator or elevator to the second floor of success. Lahat kasi pinaghihirapan yan para ma-achieve. Like for example, kung gusto mo talaga pumayat, kailangan ng discipline of what? Exercise. Discipline na pagbabawas po ng pagkakain ng mga matatamis at syempre yung ating favorite na unli rice. Babawasan po na talaga natin yan. Kung gusto mo talaga matutong mag-ipon, syempre kailangan disiplina ng pagsasave, pagbabudget, di ba? Ika nga, lalayo tayo sa mga tinatawag na unwanted spending. It's really discipline. Hindi madali yan, syempre. Pero ito yung kagandahan, no? Kung gusto mo talaga, magagawa mo talaga ng paraan. Ika nga, wag mo nang labanan, no? No, you don't fight, no, anymore. Yung talagang yung process ng discipline. Discipline is very important in all areas of our lives para magbago po tayo this 2019. Second reason, bakit hindi nag-work ang yung New Year's resolution? Because we easily get distracted. Pag pinag-usapan natin distraction, ang dami mga distraction na nangyayari. Like for example, gusto mo na talaga magpapayat, sinabi mo, this is it, this is the day that the Lord has made. Diba? Gusto ko nang mag-diet mula sa araw na ito. Pagpasok mo sa opisina, birthday pala ng boss mo. Tapos nagpakain pa saan? Diba? Favorite mong eat all you can buffet. Tapos sabihin mo sa sarili mo, ay, bukas na lang. Na-distract ka na naman. O gusto mo, sinabi mo, ay, ayaw ko na talagang pumatol sa sale. Diba? Sinabi mo, ayaw ko na, lubog na ako sa utang. Punong-puno na ang aking credit card. Hindi ko na alam paano babayaran. Bigla na sinabi ng friend, uy, friend, may bago na namang gadget, may bagong sale, 12 months, zero interest. O, ano naman nangyari? Nginig na naman ang tuhod mo. Diba? Tiklop ka na naman kasi we get distracted. Question. Gusto mo bang hindi ma-distract? May technique ako ituturo po sa inyo. Ipikit mo yung mga mata mo. Pikit mo. Tapos, pag ikaw ay nasa loob ng mall, bilisan mo yung lakad mo. Pero ika nga, baka mabangga ka lang. Kung dadaan ka sa restaurant, ganun din. Ipikit mo yung mga mata mo. Huwag kang tumingin. It works. Sige, try mo. Third reason, bakit ba hindi nag-work ang New Year's resolution? Because we are not what? Consistent. Ang problema niya kasi consistency. Human nature yan Ningas kugon. Magaling lang sa umpisa, 'di ba? Ang lakas lang sa umpisa, ang lakas lang ng dating, pero walang tapos, 'di ba? That's the reality. Yun nga parang ito lang ang point. Pag wala kang consistency sa ginagawa, kailangan mo talaga ng tinatawag natin ng push. You need help. You need, ako, like for example, this year talaga, ang pinaka one word ko para sa akin this year is what? Consistency. Kung anong inumpisa ko, dapat tapusin ko. It doesn't really matter how strong I started, but What's more important is how strong I finish the task, di ba? So always remember, you're doing this not for other people, but you are doing this for yourself. Kaya nga, kung ano man gusto mo, this 2019, push na yan. You will never know kung kaya mo until such time you try. You will never know na talagang kung kaya mo until such time na may tinatawag kang discipline. You will never know kung kaya mo rin. Kung hindi ka, ika nga focus, you shouldn't be distracted. You will never know na talagang matatapos mo siya kung hindi ka consistent. Maniwala ka, you will be glad when you work hard. Pagdating ng panahon, yes, ang ganda na ng buhay mo. Especially, kung ikaw naman, gusto mo talagang maging financially disciplined, financially focused, at financially consistent sa pagsasave, pagbabudget, pag wala sa utang, oo, di ba? Gusto mo bang mangyari yan this 2019? May good news po ako sa inyo. Meron po akong isang effective tool that you can use to create that financial discipline. Ano ba tong effective tool na ito? I've been using this for the over how many years already, ever since I was young. That's the reason why I go around the country and teach people how to save, how to budget, how to get out of debt. Ikaw, gusto mo bang mangyari yan para sa'yo? So instead of you coming to my live session, which I charge high sa live session, you know what I did? I created a tool, a simple tool, a money management tool called the Chink Positive Money Kit. Ano tong money kit na ito? It will teach you how to do 4 things: save, budget, invest, and get out of what? Debt. Ito, marahil ito na hinahanap mong tool para maayos mo yung ikang financial life mo this 2019. Alam mo na sa loob na tool na ito, nandito ng savings envelope, budgeting envelope, positive buying envelope, investment envelope, meron pang accordion folder dito. Ang kagandahan, may budgeting software pa siya sa loob. Not only that, instead of you coming to my live session, you know what I did? I created already my whole day session, dinivd ko na siya. Or if not, nasa online na siya, pwede mo na siyang panoorin all over again, paulit-ulit pa hanggang ma-master mo siya. If you come to my live sessions, normally, you have to invest 3,500. Pero meron akong good news for you. Instead of coming to my live session, this tool, it's only 3,499 pesos. You will get everything. And then you'll be able to watch this at the comfort of your home. You don't have to come to my live session. However, it's not yet finished. Alam mo ba, I published already around 12 books. 12 books na po, okay? Yung Till Death Do Us Part, Secrets of the Rich and Successful, How I Made My First Million, diba? For Richer and for Poorer, Raising Up Money-Wise Kids, Happy Wife, Happy Life, Family Finance, Rich God, Poor God, How God Can Bless You, Always Chink Positive. Tapos yung bestseller na books ko recently, yung Diary of a Pulubi, My Ipon Diary, My Budget Diary, and Carry Mo Yan. These are 12 books, okay? So, itong 12 books na ito, if you buy this sa bookstore, more or less, it will cost you around mga 4,000 plus pesos itong material na ito. May good news po ko sa inyo. If you order this money kit, at 3,499, may good news ako. Everybody say all. If this books I'm holding right now, I want to give it to you for free. Libre na to. Ang bigat. Libre na. Abutin nyo to. This is for free when you order this money kit. So you're getting value for money. And not only that, I'll give you another bonus. Itong year na ito, I want to challenge you also to join me on the 60,000 Ipon Challenge. 60,000. Lahat po tayo, mag-iipon tayo ng 60,000. How? By using this can. 60,000 Ipon Challenge. If i-fill up nyo lang po ito, sketch lang, meron tayong denomination 20, 50s, 100s, 200, 500, 1,000. Pag na-fill up nyo tong mga denomination na ito, parang ano lang to, jigsaw, or parang puzzle ba to? Tic-tac-toe. Yan, tic-tac-toe. Pagka nabuo nyo yan, meron ka ng 60,000. And I want also to give you this can as a As gift for free. So, order right now. If you want to order this this money management kit, this Chink Positive Money Management Kit, all you need to do is just type the word called Money Kit. Money Kit right now inside your comment box, Money Kit, and I will send you the order link so that you can order. And good news, once you order, we ship Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. For Team Abroad, may good news din po ako sa inyo. Para sa Team Abroad, you can order this digital version. You will also get the digital version of this, and then you will download all the 12 books via ebook. And good news, meron din pong PDF file na ito. PDF file na ito, itong tinatawag na Ipon Kit, na pwede mong siyang i-download at meron siyang pang ibang denomination. Even na dollars yan, pwede. Real yan, pwede. Oo, dirhams yan, pwede. Meron kaming ginawang version para sa inyo. So, right now, if you want to order, type the word called MoneyKit. Don't miss this offer because this offer will not last that long. So thank you very much for tuning in. If you want really to make your financial decision this 2019 at gumanda ang iyong financial life, order the MoneyKit right now and follow the system so that you will have a debt-free and a wealthy life this 2019.